Everyone online claims AI trading bots print money overnight, but are the results real or just big talk? Today, I put three of the most popular bots to the test, starting as a complete beginner. First, what exactly is an AI trading bot? In simple terms, it's software that trades stocks or crypto for you 24/7 automatically. You set your risk level, and the bot runs trades on your behalf without emotions. Getting started is surprisingly easy. Just a few clicks, connect your account, and you're ready to go. Many of these platforms advertise massive win rates this year, so I wanted to see if that actually holds up. Here's what happened when I invested $500 into three different bots for 30 days. Bot 1, plus 7%, but with big swings that made it hard to stay calm. Bot 2, minus 2%, quick losses wiped out gains. Bot 3, completely flat, lots of trades, little progress. The takeaway? Results weren't as magical as the ads made them look. Profit snapshots may seem impressive, but losses can hit fast if your settings or the market suddenly shift. Top 3 risks beginners face. Slippage. The bot executes too late, so you lose profit. Overfitting. Backtest results look perfect, but fail in real trading. False security. Set and forget is dangerous. Markets move too quickly. So what's the smart approach? Always use stop-loss orders, adjust settings to match your risk tolerance, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Bots can be a tool, but they're not a shortcut to guaranteed wealth. Bottom line, AI trading bots can win, but only if you manage risk, monitor performance, and stay sharp. They're not magic money machines. They're just one strategy in a much bigger financial toolkit. Would you try one, or is it too risky for you? Drop a comment and let's discuss. And make sure to subscribe, because next week I'll be revealing the top app for automatic side hustles in 2025, plus a bonus strategy for using AI safely to grow